Hello, I'm Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 74 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight's cocktail is Honey Nut Cheers. It is a spirit-forward and nutty special that solves a classic problem with cocktails of this nature. It's not overly sweet. I did get this idea from Green River Distilling and their amazing cocktails, but I found that I was going to need to make a few adjustments based on the ingredients that I had. Let's get started with our base, and our base is the fairly new Green River Bourbon with honey added. This is a really interesting bourbon. It is 92 proof. It will bring a soft, natural wildflower kind of honey to this cocktail, but it's also a bourbon at heart and 92 proof, so it's going to give us some really nice depth as well. We will use 2 full ounces of the Green River honey. What I really enjoy about this, it tastes like bourbon, but it's got a little hint of sweetness to it, so we're not going to overdo it. Next, for our balance, our structure, we'll be using Carpano Dry Vermouth. This will provide a nice crisp profile, a tad bit of herbaceousness, and some much needed citrus as well. We will use 3/4 of an ounce of the Carpano. And to bridge those flavors and balance out the dryness of the Carpano, we'll be using Licor 43. It will bring a lovely note of Mediterranean vanilla and light spice. We only need a 1/2 ounce of the Licor 43. Now for our bitters. We've got to have some components going on to get that nuttiness in here. First, we're going to go to the black walnut bitters, which is going to give a real deep, dark, kind of woodsy, bitter walnut note with it. And we will use 3 nice, hefty dashes. I'm wanting to get that nutty profile. So the next component will be toasted almond bitters. This is going to add this amazing roasted almond nuttiness that's going to be amazing with this. Again, we're going to use 3 generous dashes. Those are our ingredients for this cocktail. What we will do next, I'm going to add ice, stir for 15 to 20 seconds to ensure that it gets really well chilled and also dilutes just slightly and incorporates the ingredients. I will do that and rejoin you in just a moment. That is very well chilled. Now we will strain this into our nice chilled coupe glass right in there. Kind of has that look, does it not? Now we are skipping the garnish today because I really want to focus on the nuttiness as well as, of course, the bourbon flavors and the honey notes that are going to come from that Green River. Well, let's see. What I get immediately on the nose is this lovely, warm vanilla and hints of honey. Not overly sweet, just telling me there's some lovely fresh honey notes here. Well, cheers to the honey nut cheers. That's kind of an adult drink that's reminding me of my childhood cereals, just saying. I love the mouthfeel of this. That Licor 43 is giving us some really creamy texture, as is the bourbon. It's kind of rich, but crisp from the vermouth, and then soft from the 43, and it just plays so well together. I love the way the nuttiness from both the black walnut and the toasted almond are coming forward. It's bringing that whole vibe of nuttiness and the lovely honey all together, and it's just fantastic. It's got a nice deep finish on it, sophisticated, got a little bit of wood notes coming forward from this aged bourbon. For tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a most fabulous Thirsty Thursday, and mix up the honey nut cheers. I think you'll get a kick out of it. Cheers.